Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a banner to your Shopify store. Now, if you're just starting out Shopify and you're starting up your store, so adding a banner will be a great way to start. So first things first, head on to your Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And once you're in the Shopify website, you can just go log in into your account or create an account if you still don't have an account. So for now, I'm just going to go to login because I already have an account. And once you're in this section right here, go to the store that you have or just create under store, if you will. Now, for now, I have a store. So I'm just going to click on my store right here. And once you are in this section right here, make sure to go to your online store right here. So first I'm going to let you show what I'm talking about. So right here, this section right here, this big block of image right here will be your image banner. So this is where we will be working most of the stuff. So next I'm going to go to edit homepage right here. And now once I'm in my edit homepage, as you can see, this is where we will be customizing our banner. As you can see, this section right here is the image banner. So make sure to click on that and make sure it is in blue border. So as you can see right here, once I click on that, you will have the option on the right hand side corner of your screen to select an image and upload an image of your choice. Or if you don't have an image, just click on explore free images right here. So for now, you have a bunch of different images you want to work with depending on what you are selling. So for now, let's say we are selling men's fashion. So I'm just going to select a photo that I want to have as my image banner. So this is really good right here. And as you can see right about there, the image is now generated once I click on this. So after that, just click on select right here, and as you can see right here, it has already been saved. So if you want to add another image or split this image into two, just click on the second image right here and click on explore free images. So let's head on to men's fashion again, and let's select our second image for this image to be split into two. So just click on load more if you don't have an image right here that you want. So right here, this is very nice. So once I have done that, as you can see, my image is now split into two. So just click on select right here to save that one. And now once I scroll down, you can actually edit the image overlay opacity, meaning the brightness right about there. So once you scroll on the right, the image opacity will be a little bit darker. So once you scroll on the left, the image opacity will be lighter. So just play with this if you want, and it depends on your taste if you want to have a bright overlay or a dark overlay opacity. Now the banner height, you can actually change the banner height right here. So I have mine set to large, or Shopify automatically sets this one as default to large. So you can actually go to medium. Let's try medium right here. As you can see, the image banner is set into medium. Let's try small right here. So as you can see, the image banner is already at small height. So if you click on the adapt to first image, automatically it adapts to the first image right about here. So it's up to you actually. So for personally, if you ask me, I like to put my image banner into medium, and that way it is not very big, it is not very small to look at, it is just right to look at, and it's not very disturbing to the eyes. And next, the color scheme, you can actually choose a color scheme like an accent one right here, as you can see, and the accent two, and the background one right here. So I like to keep mine white because I'm opting out for a white theme website. So once you've done that, you can actually choose a mobile layout. So the mobile position, this mobile position on your image banner, you can change its center or on the left. So once you have done that, you can actually change the bottom margin. It's up to you right now. As you can see right here, it has a margin of, I think, around 20 pixels, as it says right here. So as you can see, under section padding, you can edit the top padding. So I have mine set to 24 pixels. So once I edit on that, just look at the top padding right here. As you can see, it moves a little bit to the upper side. And on the bottom padding, I think it's about right here. So once I drag on that to the right, it goes to the bottom. So I think it's all about taste right here and preferences. So it's all about it's all about up to you if you want to do this, and just make sure that the image right here is very clear and it won't be very disturbing to look at once you edit the section padding. So I guess that's about it for this video, and if you have some questions regarding on the video, just comment down below so I can answer it, and I'll make sure to answer it quickly. And of course, with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful, and if you do, be sure to give this a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!